In Germany, ladies of the night pay income tax, the level of which varies from region to region, but compliance is difficult to enforce with women seeking business on the street.
It gives a whole new definition to income tax.
Exactly. Germany's first sex tax meters, from which prostitutes can purchase a ticket for €6. That's approximately 5.31 pounds, Terry, per night.
You said
will ensure the tax system is fairly implemented, that according to a city spokeswoman.
You said €6, not 6-year-olds, right?
Yes, €6, not year-olds. No. €6, equivalent to 5.31 British pounds. Inspectors will monitor compliance, Terry, not every evening, but frequently, the spokeswoman told Reuters. If caught without a valid ticket, offenders will first be reprimanded, then face fines, and later even a ban.
Gives a whole new definition to click it or ticket.